Sometimes when we've got a bank reconciliation error, there might be other reports that we want to have a look at to help us try and identify what's happened. Obviously, that main one being the uncashed items or the unpresented receipts. But the other one that you might want to take a look at is under your bank reports, and it's called your Accounts Any Bank Report. And this is effectively your scribe bank statement. So it shows you the running total by bank with the date that it's been cashed. So using the filter option in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to change to my current bank account, and I'm going to view that report. So here I've got my bank statement. So Scribe Parish Council transactions for the current account. The first value that we've got in bold on the top right-hand side, well, that's your cash book balance. So as you entered it in your setup, so if you have got any unpresented items from the previous year, it's going to be included in that cash book balance. Then you can see all of your individual transactions. So we've got them here by voucher date and by cash date, all of the individual transactions till we get to the end, and we can see here that's that running cash book total. So that's all of my transactions with a running total. Obviously, if you've got the the cash date, it's appearing on the right hand side. And when we get to the bottom, we've got the cash book balance, so that £100,000, but we know that there's a number of uncashed entries, so it's what my bank balance should be showing. So you've got that 99,000 that's sitting there. And the idea here is obviously you can then match that up with your bank statement. So you can look at the running totals using the filter here. You can order these either by the cash date or by the voucher date, but you might also want to choose specific dates. So if you knew everything balanced quite perfectly at the end of June, you might only therefore need to run the report for the month of July to actually see if you've got any transactions on there. So I've just got those two items that were cashed because you just saw me uncash everything else for July, but it will actually just give you those ones that should match up with those that are on your bank statement.